Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wood chisel sets that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Stanley 3-piece Wood Chisel Set. This Stanley 16:150 set only includes 3 pieces in total, the bare minimum for it to qualify as a set, but each chisel is truly excellent. For starters, the blades are made with heat-tempered carbon steel, which is lightweight and durable. This ensures excellent longevity and sharpness. Even better, the steel blades are all coated with a special protective material that can prevent rust. Thus, the chisels should last for a long time to come even if your maintenance routines could be more frequent. The chisels also all come with black polypropylene handles. This is a special type of plastic that may not be as aesthetically pleasing as wood, but it's phenomenal when it comes to durability. Plus, the handles can absorb a little bit of shock. This will help keep your hands from taking during long woodworking tasks. The chisels are each sized differently, of course, with beveled edges. Sizes included are 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. To make things even better, the set can be purchased for an excellent asking price. All in all, it's a phenomenal starter or basic chisel kit that has the few core pieces you need to start woodworking before you start expanding your collection, and takes our pick as the best wood chisel set available this year. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WorkPro 3-piece wood chisel. These chisels from WorkPro are also a great choice, featuring added value because of the type of steel the blades are made of. They're chrome vanadium steel blades with special heat treatments, which means that these chisels should retain their edges for years to come, even with heavy use. The blades all feature beveled edges so they can be used for multiple purposes and are ideal for a variety of wood types and hardness levels. We also like that these chisels come with steel butts on the handles. This will allow you to use a hammer or mallet without damaging the handle at all. Blade guards at the end of the handle will make it more difficult for your hand to slip down to the blade and get cut when using a mallet. It's easy to see from the design that these are intended to be used for more hardcore chiseling compared to the first set. Their ergonomic handles and affordable price will make them a favorite for professional woodworkers or serious hobbyists who use hammers in conjunction with their chisels more often than not. All in all, this is one of the best wood chisel sets for the money, bar none. At number 3, we have the Von Haas 10% Premium Chisel Set. Now we get into the pricier picks. This Von Haas Premium Chisel Set comes with 10 pieces in total for a much higher asking price, but it also comes with an elegant and aesthetically pleasing wooden storage case. Even better, the kit comes with a sharpening stone, so you have everything you need to keep your chisel blades sharp and functioning over the long term. You get all the chisels and sizes you need for a full set in the collection, ranging from 1/4 inch all the way up to 2 inches. Additional accessories, like a honing guide, ensure that even beginners will be able to sharpen their own chisels without messing things up. The blades are all made with chrome vanadium steel and feature beveled edges. They have rubberized and ergonomic grips, plus metal strike caps for use with hammers and mallets like the last set. Essentially, it's a 10-piece version of the last chisels without accessories. We think it's a perfect premium choice for professional craftsmen or hobbyists who don't want to go back to the store to pick up extra accessories as they develop their skills. At number 2, we have the Narex 863,010 Woodworking Chisels. This Narex 863,010 is a set of 4 chisel tools, each of which features blades made from chrome manganese steel. The blades are all hardened after the fact to ensure phenomenal sharpness and so that you can use them with particularly hardwood species without breaking them. Their sizes range from 1/4 inch up to 1-1/32 inch. The last chisel, sized at 13/16 inch, is a rarer type you'd normally have to buy on its own. The handles are all made from a kind of European beechwood, which is lacquered to prevent water damage and ensure long-term durability. They also feature phenomenal shapes so they're comfortable to hold. Metal strike caps will allow you to use them with a hammer, and the wood even absorbs the shock from a hammer strike a little better than you would expect. All in all, it's a phenomenal wood chisel set that you can even get for a decent asking price. The only downside is the lack of larger chisels, which marks this as a more precision-oriented set. And finally at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics 8-piece wood carving chisel set. Amazon Basics has brought us another reasonably affordable set with chisels ranging in size between 1/4 inch and 1.5 inch. 8 chisels are included in total, and each features a blade made with heat-treated, chrome vanadium steel alloy. The blades feature narrow side bevels that might be a little different from what you're used to. But the added bevels on the sides allow you to use the blades in more than one configuration. Furthermore, the chisels have contoured handles that are phenomenal for their ergonomic comfort. The downside is that the plastic material that the handles are made of isn't particularly durable or shock-absorbing. The set also lacks the steel striking caps, so you may not want to use a mallet with this set. The entire kit comes with a special storage case for easy organization. All in all, it's a decent set that even comes with another sharpening block for added longevity if you use chisels more with your hand instead of in conjunction with hammers.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.